and welcome to Rising of Alkebulan. My name is Balima Siza and welcome to our first episode of Ichibi Lomama. On today's headlines, we'll be focusing on the women's spiritual gathering that is known as Ichibi Lomama that takes place every first Saturday of the month. It's whereby women nationally and internationally converge on their nearest spiritual centers to be guided and healed. During Ichibi Lomama, INkosi Yamakhosi Omoya Dr. Uzwi-lezwe Radebe gives us a ritual that cleanses Isibeleko because we are life transporters and our wombs need to be cleansed each and every first Saturday. INkosi Yamakhosi Omoya guides us on how we should carry ourselves by respecting our body and our wombs because that brings dignity to those who came before us, our great ancestors. INkosi Yamakhosi Omoya Dr. Uzwi-lezwe Radebe does not dictate on how we should live our lives. Kodwa INkosi Yamakhosi Omoya is guiding us and shaping us to become the best version of ourselves, the best future centers of the home, and how we should make and take good decisions as women. If you are out there and currently facing women challenges, make sure you do not miss out every first Saturday of the month at the Revelation Spiritual Home. For more information, kindly drop a comment or visit the Revelation Spiritual Home on their social media platforms. Don't miss out on our next episode where we will dive deeper on the importance of Isibeleto and why you should attend Ichibi Lomama. Hashtag First Saturdays are for Ichibi Lomama. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.